Let's continue learning more about formatting. We would like to learn today about how to make our printings more nicely formatted. Here in this example, I'm ranging from 0 to 20 with jumps 2. So I is 0, 2, 4, 6, 10, so far. Now, I'm here trying to print two things. I'm trying to print I to the power 4 and here I to the power 3. Just like something that's very big as a number. Observe here, at some point, the overall layout of everything isn't like just aligned. Like we wished if I in one column, I to the power 4 in one column, I to the power 3 in one column. The problem is different outputs have different number of output units. Like this number here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits, 6 output units. And this number here is 4, this number is 3, 2. So this overall is creating a problem. And this takes us to what we call a width formatting or a width parameter. In a width parameter, we come here and I'm here after like here we have 0, 1, 2. You can have 0 or have empty. You need to put colon. So it could be 0, colon 2 or colon 2. Colon 2 here means format this field in 2 units, 2 output units, 2 spaces output. And we are going to format the second parameter in 7 output units and the third parameter in 4 output units. I selected these numbers because they represent like the maximum number of digits that might appear for me. So here all of this number, observe how they are right aligned. So this is right aligned in a field of 2 spaces. This is right aligned in a field of 7 spaces. This is right aligned on field of 4 spaces. So when we write colon 7, it means field of 7 spaces. 1 is for the field index, or you can remove it. So it can be 1 colon 7 or colon 7 directly. This is what we call a right aligned output. Now we can make it also left aligned output. To do that, you can use the less than. So less than 2, make it left aligned here. Less than 7, make it left aligned here. Less than 4, make it left aligned here. You can also make it centered aligned, but using the power this thing. Yeah, find it in your keyboard. I forgot the name. If you did it will be centered aligned. I'm here formatting the first as right, the second as left, and the third as centered. So these are the 3 types of inputs that you can use to make a width formatting so that you have a nicer output. That's all.